Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and this is my tutorial for my BTS Outro Ego nail art design. This one is music video inspired, it's very bright and fun, so I hope you guys enjoy recreating it with me. So I'm going to start by painting my index fingernail a pale yellow, my middle and ring fingernails black, my pinky fingernail a periwinkle blue shade, and my thumbnail a regular old Crayola crayon blue. So I'm going to start by applying liquid latex on the skin around my index fingernail to prep for this gradient here. So I'm just using a bunch of warm shades, a lot of yellows and oranges, and I'm going to sponge that onto my index fingernail until it is opaque and has a blend that I like. And next I'm just going in with some more orange at the tip of my nail because it wasn't as opaque as I'd like it to be. I wanted the colors to be more vibrant, and afterwards I'm just using black polish to draw out a rectangle, and then I'm going to be coloring in everything from that rectangle out to my cuticle or the side walls of my nail. On this nail I'm going to be recreating the scene where J-Hope is in the dark hallway and there's only one source of light, and so you see his silhouette very clearly. Next, I'm just going in with an in-between orange shade just to blend everything in on the colorful part. Then I'm going to be framing this portion that is lit up with orange, and it's not that opaque, so I'm going over with several coats, and you want the lines to be very thin here. And then I'm going to be taking black polish and drawing in J-Hope's silhouette, which is very handsome and very manly, which is very weird to say, but yes, I'm starting with the head, and his hand is kind of out like he's doing a dance move or he's posing, and then the other hand is kind of tucked away in his pants, so his legs are kind of more curvy, I guess, so you want to make sure you have it in the right pose, and also to make sure that the proportions are correct. As you can see, I did lengthen the legs here because I thought the torso was too long. Then I thinned out some black polish and I used that for the shadow. And for the middle and ring fingernails, I'm going to be drawing the fun little vital lines in the hospital scene of the music video when J-Hope is brought to the hospital, and then it says how much love, how much joy, so I use white polish to draw the vital lines, which are shaped into the words love and joy. And the reason why I'm using white polish first is so that the yellow and blue, which the vital signs actually are in the music video, can pop off of the black background. And basically for this style of lettering, you want to make sure everything is connected and also that it's like symmetrical or kind of as perfect as you can get it to be. And next, I'm going to be moving on to my middle fingernail, which has the word joy on it, and I started with the O this time so I can make sure I have it in the center before moving on to the J and the Y. And next I'm going to be taking yellow and blue polish and coloring it in, and I'm using yellow polish on the top half and then a tealish blue color on the bottom half. And it is to be noted that it's okay for you to color outside of the lines as long as it's not too much, because you can always use black polish to kind of cover those spots and to make the lines appear thinner once again. And for the pinky fingernail design, it's inspired by the wall just outside of Jay's Tailor, which is the tailor shop that J-Hope goes into towards the end of the music video. I'm doing a color block design with purple and orange because those are the colors that are on the wall, and I use the brush in the bottle as well as a tinier brush. And then I'm just going to be taking white polish and laying down a circle on the periwinkle part of the color block. And then I'm going to be coloring in this white circle with yellow polish, and I did the white so that it could pop off of the blue, and then I'm just going to use a blue polish to draw the smiley face. And for the thumbnail, I'm going to be taking white polish and writing the title of the track, which is Ego, and it actually appears in the music video, but J-Hope is sort of intertwined in these letters, but I decided to keep it simple and just write the word itself. I'm using white polish so that the yellow, which I'll be using to color it in, will pop off of the blue background as I've been doing for all the other lettering. So I actually wanted to draw a birthday hat, like a party hat on top of the G, and a string that kind of wraps around it to tie in the like younger Hoseok and then the older J-Hope theme, but I couldn't fit it, so now I'm just using this colorful glitter polish. And the last step is a generous layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. Make sure you float the brush across the designs because we have a lot of lettering, so you want to be able to read it. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I really love this song and I love the music video because it really represents Hobie and the energy that he gives off and the personality that he has. And that's basically it. Bye everyone.